ghost in the dark, I'm like a stranger apart.
We're at our annual Women's Leadership and Empowerment Conference, which is a sell-out conference every year. It's amazing how many women come here and celebrate each other, lift each other up. We have over 300 women here that represent K-12 education, everything from our assistants that help us and support us in the office to superintendents, board members, principals, teachers, a wonderful group of women coming together to support each other. I also have to give a shout out to our men. We do have men that come every year as well, our men allies. It's a time for us to come together in unity, to be with one another and uplift one another. This is a full day in which women begin the day coming together, networking over a wonderful breakfast. It's followed by welcome remarks from our fabulous superintendent, Dr. Deborah Eduardo.
I just want to acknowledge and express my gratitude to all of you for what you do every single day, because this is not easy work. It's such rewarding work, and it's such important work to serve in schools as educators, but it's not easy. And I also want to acknowledge the current challenges that we're facing as women.
We then always have a keynote. This year's was Miss Valentine. She has this wonderful inspirational story as an educator and a woman in leadership roles. We have a panel discussion led by many of our wonderful superintendents across LA County, retired superintendents.
Society still looks at us, as sometimes less competent than the men who do our jobs, whatever our jobs are.
Followed by lunch. And then in the afternoon, there's a number of different panels and sessions that people can choose from, hear from different people from across LACOE as well as the district. This event is incredibly important to the women who come here. They don't often have opportunities to collect as a group, and to be able to come here, hear each other's stories, share each other's experience, and really support one another. It's just a wonderful opportunity for them.